का जो वीडियो है वो गुप्ता एम्पायर के ऊपर है। यहाँ पे वन लीनियर पॉइंट जो आपके लिए इजी टू रिमेंबर होगा, इजी टू रिमेंबर एंड इजी टू मेमोराइज। तो गेट स्टार्ट। The first ruler is Sri Gupta, and basically Gupta Empire was started 390 AD to 550 AD. Okay, so remember, official language was Gupta period was Sanskrit. It was asked in different SSC and APSC exams, and Sri Gupta was the founder of Gupta dynasty. But remember, the real founder was Chandragupta I. So in your question, if Chandragupta one is there and Srigupta also is there, then go for Chandragupta one, because Chandragupta one is considered to be the real founder of uh, Gupta dynasty, and many of the answers ki Chandragupta one is the right answer. Okay, so don't confuse with that. Next point, during this during the time of Srigupta, I Tisang, a Chinese traveler, visited during his time. Okay, so only remember two points from Srigupta. Now let's go for Chandragupta one. Chandragupta one, time tenure 320 to 335 AD, and key points are Allahabad inscription. In Allahabad inscription, Chandragupta का नाम Lichivas Duahitra mentioned in the Allahabad inscription. So he adopted the title of Maharaja Dhiraj, and many times it was asked who issued gold coin in the Gupta era. So it is Chandragupta one. Okay, and next after Chandragupta's son Samudragupta. So he is also himself called an Indian Napoleon, also called Kaviraj, king of poets. I'm also giving the key points. Okay, these are the important points जो आपका एग्जाम पे ज़रूर आएगा और आया भी है। तो ये की पॉइंट्स ही सिर्फ याद रखें, बाकी आपको पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं। ये वीडियो अगर आपने देख लिया तो गुप्ता एम्पायर का आपको दूसरा कोई पॉइंट्स देखने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है। Allahabad pillar during the time of Gupta Empire, and during that time Samudragupta was the king. It was constructed and it was says about the details about Samudragupta. Okay, he issued archer type, tiger type, and battle type coins. He also issued one of the gold coins. He is represented playing the वीणा। वीणा जो म्यूजिक में यूज होता है, क्लासिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट। एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट अश्वमेधा जो हॉर्स सेक्रीफाइस है वो समुद्रगुप्ता वाज स्टार्टेड अश्वमेधा। एंड चंद्रगुप्ता टू, द गुप्ता एम्पायर रिचेस टू हिज हाईएस्ट ग्लोरी। Golden period of Gupta Empire is during the time of Chandragupta II. He adopted the title of Vikramaditya after victory of Shaka, so he himself adopted a title Vikramaditya. Mehruli iron pillar was constructed in New Delhi by Chandragupta II, and it deals about the defeat of Confederacy of Vengas and Bahikas. Confederacy means the mutual support. Okay. And Kalidas was the court poet of Chandragupta too. So Nalanda University was constructed at Rajgir Vihar during the time of Kumaragupta. He adopted the title of Mahendra Aditya. So Maharaja Dhiraj was Chandragupta I, and Mahendra Aditya title was Kamaragupta. So don't confuse with that. You just go through the key points and remember. Okay. And Kalidas also the region of Kamuragupta I. So Kalidas flourished in the region of both Chandragupta II and Kamuragupta I. Okay. Skandragupta. During this time, first Huna invention was took place. Date भी आपको याद रखना है 458 AD. He repaired the dam of Sudarshan Lake. So he repaired dam of Sudarshan Lake. And Bitari stone inscription, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. It was located at Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. it deals with about his power, says about its power. Okay. And Vishnu Gupta was the last Gupta king. So this is about the Gupta kings. Now they are literacy, religion, and architect. You can see Gupta literacy. So basically, famous poet Kalidas, also called the Shakespeare of India. Official language of Gupta was Sanskrit. And Mir Chakra Katika written by Sudharka. Panchatantra, it was asked many times, written by Vishnu Sharamana. Uttaram Charitra was written by Bhabhabhuti. So this is about the literacy. Now, science and technology. So 2 points are very important. Famous mathematician Aryabhatta was during the Gupta period, okay, and he discovered the value of pi and lot of contribution to trigonometry. Brahmihir, an astronomer also in the Gupta's period, and Hastro Ayurveda was written by Palkapia. So now that temple and religious matters, okay. The proper temple constructed what under started under Gupta Empire. So in ancient India, proper temple construction was started during the time of Guptas. Okay, remember this is very important. And Nagara style of temple also came into existence during Guptas. And religion, they Guptas were the followers Vaishnavism. Vaishnavism is the main focus on the god of Vishnu. Royal symbol of Guptas was Garuda. Garuda is a golden wings bird. Avatarvada system was started under Guptas. Avatarvada is nothing but the descent followers of path that was started under the Guptas. Mahabharata. Mahabharata was written by Vedvyas in the time of Guptas. Ramayana was written by Valmiki in the time of Guptas. And Ajanta painting, Aurangabad, Maharashtra, it was situated. So it also constructed during the time of Gupta. And remember, Ajanta painting maximum was related to Buddhism. The picture and the others that was written in the wall was dictated to Buddhism. So that's all about the Gupta Emperor. You just remember the points about Gupta Emperor kings, and you can see the MCQ question. These are the points related to every question's answers. Okay. So all the best. Do subscribe for more videos.